Damn, we've got something big from Google today. I'm Gary, this is FoxTech, and this is the Pixel 4a. Google have sent this over to me, and I am so excited. Thanks Google for sending this over. I made my channel 4 months ago, and they've reached out to me, sent the Pixel 4a over a month before it's been launched, for me to check out and share my thoughts on it. So I really appreciate them sending this out. It won't change my thoughts at all. I'll still be honest with my opinions and I'll share the good and the bad about the Pixel 4a. But today, we're going to crack this box open. This is the biggest box I've ever received, ever, in terms of phones. So I've never received a reviewer's box before, and this is the biggest phone box I've received. The world's smallest phone launch that we know of, and only £349. So there's been a lot of hype quietly in the background regarding the 4a in terms of the quality that you're getting for the price. And in 2020, I mean, this could be the way to go. So this was the box. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. And there you have it. So your gift from Google, a little note from Google introducing the totally worth the wait phone, saying they couldn't wait any longer to get some of the 4As out there for people to get their hands on. So 4 weeks before it goes on sale in the UK. I can't wait to give this a go. Let's put that to one side for now. And this is what's in the box. We have a bittersweet treat, which is a little bit of candy. Very strange, but I'll take it. I mean, I like sweet treats, so I'll take it. We have the mini mouthful, which is actually like some crackers. Very, I mean, kind of weird, but they smell good. They smell good. And then we have a non-alcoholic beverage. A non-alcoholic beverage. It's kind of like a celebratory mocktail, which he says goes well with ice. I don't know what this is going to taste of. Blood orange juice, grapefruit juice, lemon juice. Strange, but I mean, I love all these little extras that they give in the box. The little sweets and the drink, I think it's great. It comes with a little user guide, which tells you all about different parts of the phone, what you get in the box, different parts of the phone, fingerprint sensor, tells you all about it. The user guide is there. And the main event, the bad boy, the Pixel 4a. Wow. So let's put this away. Let's put this ginormous box away for 1 second. And we'll get into, if I can get it away, here it is. The 4a itself. Black. I mean, you can see here, the Pixel 2 XL. A little bit of a throwback there. Let's get into the box. Let's get into the 4a's box. Team Pixel on the back. I believe this is a 128 gigabytes, just black, 5.8-inch display. It comes with a power adapter. Apple comes with a power adapter in the box. Good luck with your iPhone 12. Oh wow. 5.8 inches. There it is. So small. Oh my god, this is a good size. That looks so nice. And there you have it. The 4a. It's got the colour power button, which actually, as you can tell, started on the 2XL, which I loved. So we've got the colour power button, matte black, plastic back, but matte black. Love it. Love the matte black. You can see the camera there. There's a single camera and a flash in the square camera layout, which, I mean, they could have put 2 in there, but the one they put in there is going to be unreal. We all know that. And the matte black, as you can tell, the fingerprint scanner on the back and the G logo. And then let's power this bad boy on and see. Okay, let's let that power on for now. See what else in the box. Some more colourful Google SIM card tray. I'm guessing this is some information about the phone. Put that down to there. The USB-C to USB-C cable. USB-C all things, please, everyone. USB-C all things. A adapter for moving things across from devices, and obviously the power adapter, the wall brick, which is rumoured iPhone 12s are not going to be coming with, which is absolutely crazy. All phones should be coming with them. So yeah, there is what's in the box. Minimal, but everything you need. And let's get into the phone. So there you have it, the hole punch display. And what I really like about this is the bezels along the outside are really uniform. So when you look back at the Pixel 4 XL, massive forehead, small bezels, small chin, but massive forehead. It looked really weird. I'm going to set this up and then we'll get into the home screen. Honestly, while it's looking for updates right now, the size of this thing in your hand, it is perfect. The size is perfect. 5.8-inch display, very minimal bezels, and it's a perfect size. I'm currently using the OnePlus Nord, obviously a competitor to the Pixel 4a, but I'm really looking forward to checking this out. And just holding it, just the size of it right now, I prefer the 4a. It just feels really manageable in one hand. Now I've already shot this part of the video, but the file got corrupted, so I've had to shoot it again. And in that time, it's been a couple of days, I have eaten all the bittersweet treat. Actually very nice. I've not touched the mini mouthful yet, or the drink, but I have tested out the phone for a couple of days now. I'm very impressed, very, very impressed with this thing. The battery life has been solid, 6.5, 7 hours on the first day, very good, and even better on the second day so far. Fingerprint scanner on the back, awesome. Display, like I've talked about, is great. No lags, no stutters with scrolling that I've seen at all, really. It's been perfect for me. Manageable size, small bezels, single hole punch camera. I can't complain with the design. The size is great, as I mentioned before. And for £349, I'm seriously impressed. I know it's only been 2 days. It's my first impressions, but I'm seriously impressed with this thing. The camera, as you can imagine, has been incredible. Still photos have been great. I've not done a lot of video yet. It's only been a couple of days, but I like what I see so far. Night sight, obviously very, very good. Yes, I know there's no 90Hz display. It's noticeable. I do notice the difference between 90Hz and 60Hz, but for the price, it is not a deal breaker. Everything else that you get in this phone for $349 so far, perfect. When there's phones out there costing upwards of £1,000, triple the price of this thing, what you're getting for £349 in the Pixel 4a, just from 2 days, I admit, just from 2 days, these are the clickiest buttons that I have ever used. You can probably hear them. The clickiest buttons that I've ever used on a smartphone. Really, really impressive there. Solid build, great design, really good speakers, nice display, no issues that I've seen so far, other than not being 90Hz. But for the price that you're getting this for, I don't think you can really complain. And it's probably the right compromise to make at this price. Look at the back of this thing. It's so nice to use. That matte feel on the back. Matte black everything, obviously. How did I forget to mention it's got a headphone jack? Honestly, I forgot. I totally forgot that it had a headphone jack. It's been 2 days and I've not used it just because I forgot. Display, awesome to use. We've got the USB-C on the bottom, as well as the stereo speaker on the bottom there as well, which links up with the top speaker to create stereo sound. I've been impressed with the speakers so far, and I've had no issues. Honestly, with the phone so far, I've had no issues. No stutters, no lags. Fingerprint scanner is really quick to open up the phone. I like it. Like I say, I used the Nord before this, and that was awesome to use in the time. Honestly though, even though this is made of plastic on the back and the Nord is made of glass, this feels more premium to me. I don't know why. I think it's the matte feel that they have. It just feels so premium, and I just love it. So manageable. Anyway, they're just my initial thoughts for now after 2 days. As you can see, I've turned dark mode on and I've put all my details in and got all the apps loaded up. So I'm using it as my daily phone, and I'm going to bring a full review as well as other videos about the Pixel 4a, a few comparisons between this and the Nord, and I am really, really looking forward to the Pixel 5. I've owned every single Pixel phone except for the 3a, and this, the Pixel 4a, has really made me excited about the Pixel line again. It's made me love the Pixel line again, and I can't wait for the high refresh rate of the Pixel 5. If they can do a 4a just with a bigger battery to compensate for that high refresh rate, it's going to be an absolute game changer for me. So love this thing, more videos to come. Make sure that you stay tuned so you don't miss any more videos from me. Sub to the channel, turn on the notification bell. This was FoxTech. This is the Pixel 4a, and I'll catch you in the next one.